Hello, dear children. Warm greetings from MDES. We welcome you back to the next session of the e-learning program. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Let us quickly recall of what we learned in the previous session. We learned Introduction to money, counting money, word problems, and multiplication table of 7. In today's session, we shall begin with Unit 10, Time. We shall learn about the day and night, clock, reading the time, and writing the time. Let us move on to the first topic, day and night. Here are some activities that we carry out during the daytime. Morning is the beginning of the day. The sun rises in the morning. We wake up in the morning. We brush our teeth and we eat our breakfast in the morning. We go to school and learn during the daytime. We run and play during the daytime. We eat our lunch during the daytime. We learn and play more until the sun sets down in the evening. After evening comes the night time. We eat our dinner during the night time. Before going to bed, we read interesting storybooks during the night time. We wish good night and go to sleep during the night time. We now move on to our next topic, clock. A clock is used to tell the time. This is a clock face. The numbers divide the clock into 12 parts. Each number represents 1 hour. A clock face has 2 hands that together show the time. The short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. The hour hand and the minute hand together help us to know the time. Children, now let us learn few examples which will help us to write the time shown by each clock. In this example, we can see that the hour hand is pointing at number 7 and the minute hand is pointing at number 12. We say that the time is 7 o'clock. In the next example, the hour hand is pointing at number 2 and the minute hand is pointing at number 12. Now we say that the time is 2 o'clock. In the next example, the hour hand is pointing at number 4 and the minute hand is pointing at number 12. So now the time is 4 o'clock. Children, now we will learn to draw the hands of a clock for the given time. In the first example, we have to show 3 o'clock on the clock face. Children, since it is 3 o'clock, the hour hand should point at number 3 and the minute hand should point at number 12. In the next example, we have to show 6 o'clock on the clock face. So the hour hand should point at number 6 and the minute hand should point at number 12. In the next example, we have to show 10 o'clock on the clock face. Now the hour hand should point at number 10 and the minute hand should point at number 12. Children, with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Dear children, hope you are able to solve the home assignment that is sent. Kindly check your answers in the PDF file that will be sent along with this video. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete the home assignment in their mathematics textbook and mathematics notebook. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.